future makers, welcome to Teacherpreneur. Jeff Bezos recently said that it's hard to find things that won't sell online, which means that anything and everything can be sellable in today's online market. But not anything and everything becomes the best-selling product on the internet. So what exactly makes a course or a product the best-selling in the market? In today's video, we are going to discuss the exact steps that makes your course the best-selling course in the online market. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. The first and the foremost step that you must do is to create an ideal student avatar. In common terms, you have to create an imaginary person in mind and fall in love with that person and create everything that you do, only keeping that person in your mind. Once you've had that imaginary person in your mind, you have to name them and answer a few questions about them, as in what's their age, gender, relationship status, income status, where do they live, and so on and so forth. If you answer these questions and keep that person in mind, you'll know exactly what you have to do to please that person. Did you know that Amazon has an empty chair in each of their meetings because they think that that imaginary customer of theirs is sitting on that chair, and whatever they discuss or decide in that particular meeting, they always do it keeping in mind that particular empty chair because their customer is sitting on that empty chair. With this precision, you have to come up with your ideal student out. This will clear out in your mind who exactly have you made the course for. For example, if you are creating a course for a pregnant woman, all the males are automatically eliminated. Also, only a certain age group will fit in your target audience and you have to work for them only. Then you have to think, where would they hang out, what would their aspirations be, how do they spend their time, what would be their hobbies, and this is exactly where you can find them. If they are spending more time on Facebook, then you have to target your audience over there. If they are spending more time on Instagram, then you have to target your audience over there. This will help you understand what to do and how to do. So if you've not made an ideal student avatar so far, kindly pause this video, make your ideal student avatar, and then come back so that we can discuss how can you make your course the best selling one. The second step that you must do is to point out your USP. USP means unique selling point. Of course, there are a lot of people who do the same thing like you are doing in the market, but there should be something that differentiates you from them. There should be something that makes you unique in that swarm of people. Your job is to find out why should your ideal customer come to you and not go to those. Once you find out that why, you are again a step ahead of others. Once you get the answer to that why, this answer will become your unique selling point. You should use this in your branding and then advertise it everywhere. So even if people are noticing you among the crowd, they will know exactly why they should come to you, and that's why they will choose you and not them. The third and the most important step is to talk about it. If you've created a course and no one knows about it, what's the use of it? So basically, you have to start talking about it everywhere. There is nothing to be ashamed of. Be it your social media, be it your friends, be it your family, be it people in your neighborhood. You have to keep on talking about this because that's the only way people will know about you. Whether they choose you or not is their choice. But knowing about you is extremely important because there can be a chance that if they don't need this, there could be someone else in their circle who would need it and they would definitely recommend you. So make sure you talk about your course everywhere you go and make it a part of your personality. The next important step is to take people with you in your journey. If you are thinking people are coming to you only for your course, then you are wrong. You must understand that people come to you to be a part of your online journey. You have to take them with you throughout the journey and tell them how did you plan to make the course, what problems did you face, how many nights have you spent on this course, why did you put up a particular module, why you wish you had such a course when you were a novice, and so much more. If you take them through your journey, they will build a personal connection with you and they will trust you even more. It's very important to build this kind of relationship between a teacher and a student, and this will definitely help you in the long run. So make sure you put up your journey out there. One more step that you must do is to have a pre-launch or a beta launch. Before the actual launch, you should have a group of students who take your online course and give you the feedback. Trust me, it has a lot of benefits. They will tell you what worked and what did not. They will tell you what was the best part about the course so you could promote that. They will tell you what did not work so you could change a few things before the actual launch. they will tell you if the fees was worth it or not, or whether you should decrease it or increase it. And all this feedback will actually help you to make the course better and gain confidence. Because if you've taught a small number of people, it will give you a lot of confidence, and then when the actual launch happens and more students come in, you will be prepared for it, and that is the exact benefit of having a pre-launch. So if you've still not thought about it, make sure you have a pre-launch strategy first and then have the actual launch. It will also give you testimonials that will create a social proof. More about it in the upcoming point. So as I said previously, you should have some social proof. What do you mean by social proof? Social proof actually means having a text or a video feedback from someone who's already taken your course. In this feedback, they can include what did they like about your course, how did they benefit from your course, and what was the exact system that you used, and why should people come to your course. With such a feedback, people will understand that she's not just talking about the course, there are people who have taken it and it has benefited them, so I shall be benefited too. This is the way they will invest in you. Secondly, if they've seen somebody doing very good, it creates a kind of FOMO. And because of that FOMO, people will come to your course. So trust me, collect testimonials from your beta batch or pre-launch batch and put it everywhere so that people come to you because of your social proofs. The next thing that you must do is to promote. So basically, your pre-launch and launch will only work for your own followers, your own audience, but you won't be able to reach unknown people. If you use such promotional ad agencies, then you'll be able to reach unknown people and more people will come to know about your course, and there are high chances that 3 out of 10 people will like your course and will invest in it. And this is how you get more and more audience in your course. Another step that you could do is to tell your students to get more students. How would you do that? Basically, give your students their unique student codes and tell them to pass this on to their friends or family. So if anyone from their reference comes to your course, they will get a certain discount and your student will earn a certain amount. This will help you get more people from your known sources only. Because your students want to earn that money, they will definitely refer your course to their friends and family and get more people to your course. This is how you can make connections from your known sources and build your audience. Another thing that you could do is to build an email list. If you have to stir the curiosity among your audience, tell them that they have to be a part of the email list where you are sharing the exclusive details of the course. Give some special discount to your email list and it will keep the fire alive throughout the course. So your audience will already be a part of your email list and you only have to talk to them and you're good to go. One thing that most successful online coaches do is to offer a free trial or a short snippet of the course at very low value. So basically, they have a seminar or a webinar just for $99, $199 or $299 so that they can gather a lot of crowd, and from that they try and give out value and convert their crowd towards their course. This is like people having a glimpse about how are you and how will you conduct the course. So it's just like if you want to teach them how to make the cake, tell them that they will require so and so ingredients. So give that list for free. But how much to put, how to put, and what to do should only be a part of your paid course. So try out your hands on something like this and I'm sure it will help. One more thing that you could do is to sell out bundles instead of a single course. So basically, if you have more than one course to sell, bundle everything together and sell it up at a discounted price and people will definitely buy from you because they are getting more things in a lesser rate. So basically, people will be happily investing in your course because they would feel more things means more value and more value means worth the money. The last but one of the most important things that online coaches do is to offer discounts. Whom should you offer discount to and how much discount should you offer depends on this fact. Before the launch, jot down how many number of minimum admissions you want and what is your target revenue for that particular launch. So basically, divide your target revenue with the number of students and you will get the number to whom you have to offer that discount. So for example, if your target income is 20,000 and you think that 10 people could join your course, offer discount to first 5 people of rupees 500. With this, your first 5 admissions are definitely secured and then you only have to look out for 6 more people to join your course. So your target income is also received and you have a limited number of students to cater to, which is a win-win situation for you as well as the student. So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching the whole video. At the end, I would only like to say that if your product is good, selling hard is your moral responsibility. Which means that if your product is good, you could take a step ahead to sell and market your course. It's all fine. You do not have to be ashamed about it. If you like the tips that we gave in today's video, do hit the like button. Comment and tell us what are your top tips and what ways have you used to sell your course online. Share this video with your teacher friends and family and subscribe to Teacher Prerna for more such videos. See you soon.